everyone, welcome to my newest listing at 105 Bosal Lane in Weatherford, Texas. This is a new construction home built by Silverleaf Homes. Come check it out. As you enter, you'll notice the lots of natural light with the oversized windows. Property is located within the Saddle Crest Estates of Weatherford. There is no HOA and no city taxes. Gold hardware throughout the home, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus a bonus room. Step onto the oversized back patio. My name is Kaylin Balkum. If you have any questions about this home or any other one, give me a call at 817-908-2905.